Hindu knowledge system is extremely contributing and liberating, non-violent, extremely life positive. Understand? Hindu Brahmana Varana, Brahmanatva, knowledge based section of the society which collects the knowledge, keeps the knowledge, does more and more research and development and transmits the knowledge to the next generation of every field. Brahmana Varana. I tell you again and again, Brahmana Jati alone is not Brahmana Varana. Brahmana Jati is given the ecosystem to become Brahmana Varana, but other Jatis are not denied freedom to become Brahmana Varana. Brahmana Varana is different and Brahmana Jati is different. Don't be exploited and lose confidence over the Hindu traditional Varnashrama Dharma because of the wrong narratives told to you by the anti-Hindu racist terrorists and anti-Guru Hindu mafia and gangsters. Read the original Shastras. Jati is given the possibility to enter into that Varna, but other Jatis are not shut or stopped becoming one Varna or evolving to another Varna. Understand? So the Brahmanatva, Brahmana Varnas, is absolutely life positive about the knowledge. That is why the Brahmana Varna never makes money out of their knowledge. Making money out of the knowledge is banned in Hindu tradition, in Hindu economy. Because Paramashiva knows the moment you start making money out of knowledge, even the quality of knowledge can be compromised. I can very boldly tell you with all joy and pride, Hindu scriptures are the most unadulterated, as maintained, as purely as it was uttered, revealed in the beginning. The Vedas are as it is from the time Paramashiva breathed it to Parashakti to Vishnu, Vishnu to Brahma and the Guru Parampara. Narayanam Batma Bhavam Vasishtam Shaktinja Tatputra Parasharanja Yasam Sugam Gauda Patam Mahantam Govinda Yogindra Matasya Sishyam Sri Shankaracharya Matasya Vatma Padanja Hasta Malaganja Sishyam Tam Troda Ganmartika Manyan. The whole Guru Parampara, unadulterated. I tell you, once a great scholar in Agama came to our ashram. He attended one of our Rudrabhishekam. In that there's one line where the word Nityananda comes. Immediately after the session, the Abhishekam, when he was talking to me, he said, Swamiji, that is not wrong. How can they add the word Nityananda in that? I said, I never allow any adulteration in scriptures. Then immediately I got the original reference. In Varanasi, the Brahmins, during the Rudrabhishekam, the way they chant is only repeated in our Adi Kailash. When I gave the original reference, audio and the script, he said, sorry Swamiji, now I understand. It's a Padabhetam. Patapetam means each Guru Parampara has one or two words added or one or two words different. I should not say added. One or two words and the swaras little different. But whatever your shaka, your Guru Parampara received is maintained as it is. The extreme purity. Immediately that scholar said, sorry Swamiji, I understand how chaste and integrated you are to the Vedic and Agamic traditions. In Vedic and Agamic traditions, some Sankalpa mantra, some swaras has little different Padapedas, but we never adulterate the scriptures. Extreme chastity we maintain. The Brahmana Varana may live in poverty and die, but will not compromise on their chastity to Vedas and Agamas, knowledge, scriptures. They will not compromise on it. I am so happy and proud about the Brahmana Varana of Hindu tradition. Even now, if I look around, Brahmins by Jati, either they became Brahmins by Varana, even if they could not become Brahmins by Varana and they have to take up some job for their livelihood, because all the Brahmins' livelihood is stolen away, taken away. Even if they take up some job and become different Varana by lifestyle and the job, they make sure the wealth they create is used for supporting Brahmana Varana. I can tell you from my experience, even among the SJP Yajamans and Kartas, so many people, Brahmins by Jati, but could not do only the job of Brahmana by Varana. So, for their livelihood, they have taken up some other job also. Vaishyas or Shudras or Kshatriya job. But when they generate wealth, they always make sure the Brahmana Varana is supported, funded. I tell you. I want all of you to know. Hindu knowledge source, Brahmana Varana, is absolute contributing. Extreme life positive and non-violent. I want to explain this Varna and Jati. I was waiting for the reference. Varnayate anena iti varnaha. Varnyate anena iti varnaha. That which is based on description of quality and action is Varna. Jati. Jananat jayate jatihi. That which happens out of birth is jati. So, Brahmana jati, Brahmana varana is two different things. Brahmana jati is given the possibility ecosystem to become Brahmana varana. But just by jati, he doesn't get the varana. And any other jati is not denied to become Brahmana varana. Same thing for all varnas, all four varnas. I was waiting for the original reference. I got it, that's why I am giving you now. Vyutpatti, derivation of the word. Varana, varnyate anena iti varanaha. Varana, varnyate anena iti varanaha. That which is based on description of quality and action is varana. Jati, jananat jayate jatihi. That which happens out of birth is jati.